Good afternoon, everyone. It's the I'm not sure which session this is. Let me check YouTube first. I think it's the let's see. It's the 22nd session. 22. So yeah, okay. Welcome. Today is a big day because we are going to have FOMC and in around 12 minutes we're gonna have CPI. So yeah, I kind of expect price action. I kind of expect some volatility. Maybe not necessarily on the CPI news, but FOMC will probably rock the boat. As you can see, Bitcoin swept the sell side liquidity, and right now I think we might see some upside, which is kind of exciting because we are only long. We have one API in the HODL, but it's not really a biggie because we are unable to get liquidated. So it's just Lina on 40% deviation. So yeah, that's still 10% to get back into the trade zone. But if we make a shitload of money on the core API, I'm just gonna sell Lina as it is, take the 20 something loss, and fire the challenge account back up. Then we would have still made $6. No. Let's see. Yeah, so game plan for today is I kind of want to see a strong up move or a strong down move. Yeah, it's pretty clear for me where I want to get involved. I really expect Bitcoin to either wick to the upside or yeah, just do nothing and grind further down until FOMC. Let's zoom in on the 1 hour. The first target I'm looking at is around 69.5 approximately. That's gonna be the level I'm looking at. Yeah, that's where it will get interesting for me to either scale out of longs or expose myself some more because I expect a breakout towards all-time high. The majestic thing, the fun thing about having a move like this near all-time high is that if we start to go up now, it's very likely we're gonna cross all-time high because we swept liquidity, we rinsed open interest, a lot of people got liquidated again. And yeah, it's just nature that we are now trapping shorts maybe, and then we're going higher. But I'm still open to more downside. If we go lower, I think we could even end up at 63. And kind of depending on how Kraken, the exchange we trade on, handles the volatility, we might even end up at 60k. That's my worst case scenario. So that's still a move of 12%, which I will think it's just gonna wick. So there's not gonna be sustained downside. We're just gonna wick and then we're gonna get sucked back towards 70k. So I'm still bullish. Like I mentioned yesterday in the extras video, we crossed the 4-hour 200, but just briefly. So we swept. We liquidated a lot of people who had their stops beneath with confluence of these lows. Is this an equal low, by the way? It looks like it. Yeah, it's fucking equal, man. That's beautiful. And yeah, I'm really biased. Can you tell? So yeah, I hope we're gonna see Link and Doge sold in a few, maybe an hour or so. And if we do, we might expose ourselves to Bitcoin or Ethereum. Maybe make some easy money there. Gala, it's a bit of a sad story because, as you can see, we missed one of our buy lines by 0.5%. If we had the buy line, yeah, I think we would have been in profit, nearly in profit, I guess. But yeah, that's just the way it is. That's just the way it is, guys. So I decided yesterday evening, I decided to finish everything, also my idle high, because I just do not like to stick around fully exposed during major news events like FOMC, CPI. That's just the way I roll nowadays. Usually I took a lot of risk, but right now I like to be more conservative and more defensive with my capital, which slows my progress, but it also keeps me from harm. Okay, so the next weeks are just gonna be chill. Yeah, so yeah, I wouldn't say I'm like 100% confident we're gonna pump, but we are going to see price action with some percentages. So either up or down. So that's what I like to see. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep the stream and the highlight running for the duration of CPI. Yeah, as you can see, it's around 5 minutes remain. Exciting, guys, exciting. It's been a while. So yeah, Doge is probably the first to go. Then Link, then Gala. So the old me would probably now just enter a Bitcoin long risk reward with 15 or 20 weight. Just because I already know there's gonna be volatility there, so there is some money to be made. But if it's only downside, it creates quite an uncomfortable situation on the core API. So now I'm just gonna chill, be sidelined, be comfy, and see what unfolds. Right. Let's have a look at the Dixie. Yeah, I wouldn't say this is bearish. I mean, on the daily it looks kind of bad, but we could still form a higher low here. I mean, it's all irrelevant with the news that's coming, so it's just gambling. Look at our list. Uni has been performing strong, man. Holy fuck. Nice sweep. Render too. Nice confluence. Yeah, I mean, our list is not looking too bad. I mean, it has some of the strongest performers, so that's always a good thing. Let's look at some memes. Oh, Glorious is also looking very good. I mean, it could go lower, but still, I think it looks good. There's been a time that I kind of expected this to just break down. I did not expect this to fall through this easily, but as you can see, it did. We did get a wick though, but alright, let me put some drops of I have this salt water thingy that I put in my eye because my eyes get real dry lately. It's really a lifesaver. Hyaluron. So I already have special glasses for my screen that filter like blue light, but still my eyes are just dying. So It all started when I got this big ass screen. I tried to adjust the refresh rate and everything, but it's still the same. I also have this thing called Flux, which also filters out the blue light. So it should, like everything that could prevent eye strain, I already have it. Except the life outside the computer, but no, but it's always good to prevent things before it really starts to hurt your eyes. So I swear by eye drops. All right, exciting. 1 minute remains. Really hope we're just gonna rip. We're just gonna rip. It's really something I hope for. Let's put Doge here. Yeah, it's already nice that we're already ramping up on the daily open. Like we're already above, and also above the 4-hour 200. So there's a good chance we're just gonna use this as support and moon from it. I do think there's a big opportunity we're gonna create a double low, a double bottom, with a what's usually the case with FOMC. It's like something like this. Like I like to call it a dark maul. Preferably it's gonna be like this. That would be nice. And we're also seeing a reaction. Already seeing a reaction. Let's go, guys. Oh, I can see there's some viewers. Nice. Welcome. Pending. Here we go. Okay, as you can see, Bitcoin started pumping on the 1 hour. Doge as well. Let's go! Let's go, guys! This is good. This is good. This is what we like to see. Nice. What's the Dixie doing? Oh yeah! Great, 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 great. This is what we like to see. All right. Yeah, I'm kind of too euphoric for this shit. Oh wow, yeah, that's good. That's good. Now, there could be a response where the Dixie is just gonna pull back, but right now it's looking really strong. This is a great candle. Nice. So now we kind of want to see sustain, and we want to see this knock all these levels out. The first level I'm looking at is this level. It has to be broken. If we break this level before the next 12 hour, so the new daily, we're probably gonna see all-time high. Let's refresh. Yeah, this is some nice price action. Love to see it. Let's see. Once again, Floki is doing crazy shit. It's not really something I recommend trading, but it's still fun to see. There's a lot of people trading Floki. Oh, we actually made quite some money on this little pump. 6.3. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna wait for Bitcoin to either create a higher low on the lower time frame, because I really want Bitcoin to knock this one out of the park. So we really have to stabilize above 70k. If we don't, yeah, we could face another double topish something. Yeah, it's the neckline, you know. You don't really wanna be too much exposed long. We wanna have a better confirmation. Damn, alt. This is a big jump. Oh, okay, this is also good. That's good, man. It's finally progress in the right direction. We'd like to see. Let's check the idle high setups. Yeah, I do think we can start one again. I mean, if CPI was negative, like we've seen, we would see a dump. I would be more hesitant in starting this API now. But because it's quite bullish, I'm just gonna start it again. Not gonna start them all at once, but right now I do like to be exposed on the first API. Right, guys, that's really good. So I think 5 hours from now we're gonna see the FOMC statement. Yeah, until then I'm just gonna chill, because I do expect some price movements on some alts, especially if Bitcoin is gonna chill here. But other than that, I don't really look to chase anything now until FOMC. So sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and if you're exposed through Pinot API, stay safe. Do not chase meme coins because they look good. Never forget, FOMC can really catch people off guard. It happened in the past. So yeah, stay safe. I'm just gonna chill behind the screen, and hopefully something crazy happens. Then I'll make sure to record another highlight for YouTube. Link is in the description, by the way, on Twitch, if you would like to watch previous highlights. Alright, guys. For the people watching the highlight, thanks for watching, and I'll be back later. Peace!